Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. This week I was super lucky and I got 3 days off, and I spent these 3 days traveling around my favorite county in Ireland, Wexford. Now I'm in Kilmore Quay, and today finally weather is great because last 2 days was super rain and super wind, and I was very upset because it was very difficult even walking and enjoying this beautiful landscape. But today I'm in the Kilmore Quay and weather it's almost perfect. It's very big black cloud over there, but from that side it's sunny and blue sky. So nice, so warm. I'm just sitting on the beach and I'm relaxing. Weather is so clear today. I can see from this beach right now the Hawke Peninsula and the oldest still working lighthouse in the world. It's over there. GoPro have no zoom, why I cannot show you, but actually first time it's happened when I can see this from Kilmore Quay. Amazing, spectacular view. Beautiful time in Kilmore Quay and a fabulous walk beside the sea. Slowly I will back to my car because I see the black cloud is closer and closer. I think look like very heavy rain, and this rain was with me actually in Wexford and everywhere around. That was probably last part where was beautiful weather without rain. But I'm afraid that will be finished in a good few minutes, and even this beautiful Kilmore Quay will be full of rain. But I spent really amazing time here, and this hour, 2 hours with sun give me energy for next few days. That's the most important thing. You can see on my right hand side it's Salted Islands. This is islands, 2 islands, bigger and smaller, when it's colony of the small birds. I forgot the name, but they have a fancy colors. They are black with yellow and white nose. Very cool. I forgot the name of this bird, but you can go for this island. Actually you can get a boat from marina, and this boat go I think twice per day. You can go in the morning and they collect you in the evening, and you can walk around the island, you can do photos, and you can see this huge big birds colony. I tried go there a few times, but always weather was bad, like really bad, and this time weather is amazing, but I'm not ready to go to visit Salted Island. Maybe next time. Today I don't even wear anything warm and I'm completely not ready to have a day trip around the island with bird colony. But hoping next time I can have the same beautiful weather like today. During the summer you need to book place for the boat in month advance because it's very busy, and everybody wants to see this. Actually miracle, because thousands of birds on the edge of this island must look really spectacular. I feel like this all big clouds, dark clouds, just slowly passing Kilmore Quay, because now they're getting somewhere else, and I think I can enjoy the beautiful sunny weather a little longer. That's amazing. I'm in a memory garden right now on the way to the beach. When we just walking through the seafront, we have a memory garden, lots of artifacts probably found on the beach from war, First War, Second War, some sculpture to memory of the people who died in the sea. Can I say cute place? No, but something extra what we can see in the Kilmore Quay.
Asia.
Because weather is still amazing, I show you marina, and I just walk around and I show you Salter, I think the most famous place for fish and chips here, and I'm just walking and enjoying weather, and at the same time I'm showing you how beautiful Kilmore Quay is. Great weather finish already. Now it's very windy and getting dark, but I spent amazing time in Kilmore Quay. Hope you enjoyed this fabulous magical place with me, and slowly I will be back to Bray. It's like 3 hours drive from here. It's 120-130 kilometers, but you need to pass good few small cities and small traffics. Hopefully will be not super rain and will be very easy to drive. On the way to Bray, I found beside the Gore a service petrol station, Circle. I remember this place was never finished. I know was 6, 7, 8 years empty. Nobody actually want to put here petrol station. Everything was ready, just was no petrol station. And today's surprise, brand new, beautiful, fresh Circle. We're going inside because I want to see the place. Wow, amazing, because Apple Green is only one service beside me and now we have a second one. I'm super excited.